Okay, guys, I just love this trend trading strategy. It's so unique and so beautiful. You won't believe what we actually experienced here. Okay. And remember, over the weekend, we actually milked this particular trend on GameX 999. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame, and it came to an end at this spot. Okay, yesterday, the day before yesterday, we actually analyzed this that this is going to go on uptrend because it has given us an uptrend signal, and of course, a buy signal, and it has not been able to break out from this support region. Okay, and yesterday we had a follow-up video and it was heading towards this direction. And I told you once it gets there, it might want to have a pullback, but this time around, it had a major pullback. That's so amazing. It had a major pullback. That is how funny the market can be. But right now, it's trying to go back up. And once it goes back up, it will try to break out from here, guys. It will try to break out from there. I'm coming. Let me bring up my tools. Let me bring out my tools. Okay, it will try to break out from here. Okay, once it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more right from there. Okay, that is the beautiful thing about trend trading strategy. And I'm going to share more ideas on this. We're going to check out other asset and see how you too can learn it and also perfect it while practicing it on your demo account and use it on your real account. But before I go fully into this, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, please and please drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp if you have a personal question. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let's go straight into what we have right here. So just the way I have explained, this is still buying and it will be targeting this region. And once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Let's move back to GainX 1200. GainX 1200 has been on uptrend for like almost a week right now. And that is the beautiful part of you trading the trend. Okay, so you can see we got to this support region about a week ago, and I told you that this will actually, I mean, this is actually giving us an uptrend signal because it has not been able to break out below this support zone. But because it gave us around there and got to this region, and you remember, it also got there around here. So when it was going this time around, I had to draw out this trend line because what I noticed is it's trying to break out above this resistance trend line. Okay, so once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy um on a long time. Okay, so this is what we should experience. Okay, and of course that's what we experience at the end of the day. So these happen to be the entry points, and you can see it has been spiking and spiking even though there are pullbacks, and some of them are major pullbacks in between. It has gotten to this resistance zone that yesterday I drew out this resistance zone and I said if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. And I also drew out this support trend line saying that if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. You can see immediately it got there, it started spiking up again. And right now, it is moving towards it. Okay, before we can say that this is going to sell for a very long time, it must break out from this support trend line. If it's not breaking out from it, then it means that it will keep on buying. Okay, there are going to be pullbacks just the way we have been having, but it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if this support trend line is broken. That is when it's going to sell for a very long time. Okay, so we've discussed about GainX 999 already. Okay, so the most important thing here is you understanding the trend trading strategy. You can see because we are on a single trend, then it gives us more confidence to trade within that trend and milk the asset for a very long time. Okay, so right from here, we also add a sell signal and a downtrend signal, even though it finds it difficult to break out from this support region at the beginning, but later on it broke out below it and it has been selling since then. And when it got to this region, as at yesterday, I told you if it's going to continue to sell, it must break out from here, okay, from this support region. But if it does not, it will pull back up and may likely go back to break out above the resistance zone and buy more. And as you can see, it broke out below it. And I said, once it breaks out below it, it will be heading towards this. This is the TP I gave us. Check it out. It is almost achieving it, guys. That is how beautiful trend trading strategy can be. Okay, you just need to understand how it works and how you can go about it. Using this custom made indicator has actually made it very easy for me to trade using this strategy because it helps me to analyze better. I can easily see when a trend is on uptrend, just the way this yellow flag is showing, and when it is on downtrend, just the way this red flag is showing. And with the blue arrow, I can also know when to jump into the trade on a particular uptrend. And of course, with the red arrows, I can know when to jump into a sell trade on a particular downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. That is the beauty of this. Okay, so now let's move on. This is Paynex 999. For Paynex 999, it has been on downtrend for long. We actually milk this asset, but this has been breaking out from all major support zone. This was the last support zone we spoke about, and it was like if it finds it difficult to break out from here, then we are most likely to have an uptrend writing. I mean, starting from there. But if it breaks out above it, then I mean, if it breaks out below it, then it will continue with the downtrend. And what happened? It broke out below it and it's continuing with the downtrend. But right now, we are at another support region. Okay, but this is it, guys. This is the gist. Okay, naturally we are expecting it to go back on full uptrend, okay, but it will go back on full uptrend. That is if it does not break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it will continue with the downtrend, but if it does not, it will switch over and move totally into a complete uptrend. So we need to take note of this and put it, I mean, and try to take advantage of the opportunity we are having right here. You can see it is still all about trend trading strategy. Just learn this and you will save yourself a lot of stress. Let's move on to our FX. Yeah, FX volume 80. This is it, guys. So right here, we actually started a downtrend at this spot, and of course, you can see all TPs achieved. And I said, oh, after breaking out from here, then it should be heading towards this. Okay, so this was the last TP I chose. Okay, so you can see it broke out from here after achieving all the four TPs highlighted right here. It broke out from there and it gave us more profits, even bigger than all the TPs that we have achieved earlier. Okay, and it achieved the last TP. Okay, that's so amazing, guys. So these actually got to the support zone and tried to go back on uptrend. It didn't go too far. It's having a pullback right now. Of course, the pullback will be targeting this region. And if it breaks out below this support zone, definitely it will move from being a pullback into a complete downtrend. That is, if you keep on selling at that particular spot. But if it's unable to break out from here, then we will see it switching back into an uptrend and we'll be targeting this region and try to break out above it. Okay, so once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more at that spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys should understand this and help yourself to milk the market fully. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. It's very simple. What I have just been doing is using a simple strategy that gives you more confidence within the market. All I just need to do is just to set my assets up, set my I mean set things up, and of course I leave it to play out how it wants to play. Okay, so far I have a good risk management system in place. Okay, I place my entry points, I place my stop loss, and I highlighted my TPs which I want to achieve. Okay, and of course, if I'm having multiple orders, definitely I make sure each of them are having stop loss added to it. Okay, because I need to secure my capital also. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So since this indicator has already given me an indication that it's going to sell, okay, because number one, it has got into a resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there. Number two, it switched from this yellow color to a red color, which means it is going on downtrend. Number three, it gave me a red arrow, which is a sell arrow, which goes along with the downtrend. And of course, with that, all I just need to do, set my entry point, set my stop loss, and arrange my TPs, and I allow it to play out. I can even be busy with other things while this played out. I mean, play out on my behalf. Okay, so it is as simple as that. That is why you too, you need to understand this, practice very well on your own, and of course, you can now go ahead to your real account and start working. I mean, milking the market right from there. Okay, if you want to know more about this custom made indicator, you want to make inquiry about it, then you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. If you have any other question, you can drop it for me in the comment section. I will also be there to reply. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, kindly give me. I mean, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.